Hi everybody and welcome to Campin' Russ. Just want to share a couple of videos and photos of truck repair, home improvements that I've been doing for the past 2 months now. Okay guys, today we are at Ford dealership getting the new tires on the truck. And we're getting a 2-inch lift on that one. We're getting some knobby tires on the back, yeah! Let me show you. Hell, no one's even here really, I'm so early. These are the knobby puppies that I'm getting. Goodrich. LT 305 5520s. Look at the knobs on those puppies. Nice. For my 20-inch rims. I thought about getting a bigger one, but at this point, unless I buy a new truck, these are guaranteed for 50,000 miles. By that time, I'll probably, I doubt very much if I'll get a new truck. We'll see. My YouTube video like explodes. Share us. But anyway, Dean Arbor Ford, Alpena, Michigan. Great place. These guys have always taken care of my trucks and my mom's cars and stuff like that. So, yeah. So I'm excited. Say hi. Hi, Russ. Hi, Jeff.
Hey, Russ. Campin' Russ.
Campin' Russ.
You can't. On YouTube.
Campin' Russ, man. Yeah. All right, guys. I'm excited. Oh, and we're also getting rotors in the back. I have a feeling, and new brakes. We'll see when Scott pops them off and takes a look at them and stuff. Well, after getting the tires on there, I found out that the front spring was broke in half. The back leaf springs were totally broke, so I said replace both of them. But the tires look great. Yep. Okay, guys, we're here at Ford dealership, Alpena, Michigan. And my mechanic and the service guys are fantastic. They got the spacers on, and we're just sticking out just a tad bit, which looks really, really cool. Look at that. Oh, yeah, just perfect. Just enough. I put 1.5 inches, 1.5, something like that. Yeah, spacers on it. Look at that. Oh, yeah, baby. And if you look in there, cool. I hope that came out. All right, Campin' Russ coming from me from Ford dealership. If you guys ever need anything done, these guys do a fantastic job. Oil changes, engine repair, transmission, whatever you guys need. Like I said, I bought a couple vehicles off of these guys. The salesmen are fantastic, but don't let them know that because their heads will swell. All right, guys, I gotta go. See ya. Peace out. All right, so I am pulling off as I'm doing a video on the front. I pulled off this bracket, which was custom built just so I didn't have that kind of a rattle, and it is shaking. So it really does make a huge play to keep it stable to the top of the cab. The only bad thing it was look at that. And that was, yeah. So I'm gonna need to put a little paint on that. Hopefully I have something. I'm not sure if I do. Just to seal it up properly. This side didn't really do it because I had like this rubber thing on there. And as you can see, it didn't really do anything. But the self-tappers that I put in there worked very well. Just one of these things that you come up with a system that works My only downfall that I had was I didn't put the self-tappers in there. And I see that I did break one. The head of it did break off. So I'm going to have to re-tap that in there. And when I put it back up there, I'm going to have to re-drill a new hole. All right, guys. I'm going to get started on this. See ya. Okay, guys. I am in the process of mounting a couple of, well, putting everything back on the truck for camping season 2020 if it ever gets started. Went ahead and threw my extra solar panel up here. As you can see, I did get a couple of extra plugs, so I am building another one that will probably go underneath here and slide out this way. Under here and slide it out, and I'll slide it back in and lock it in. Or I'll take the one on the top and maybe like do this kind of a up and a lift over thing. I did mount my Wi-Fi booster and phone booster on here. I got the RV Deluxe Wilson. I used the bracket that they gave me. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh, wait a minute, there we go. Used the bracket, put it on the hinge, put it on, bolted it down, and so when I'll just run a bungee on it, it's a good place for it to be. Ah, crap, where's my GoPro when I need it? So that's it, and it will just lock it in like that. That is a big ass antenna. I don't know if I'll use it all, but yeah, and I'll put a clip right up here on it that clips it in. It's totally out of my way, and hopefully it will give me the height that I need to get a signal. I know it's way up there. Okay, anyway, and then I'll just run the cable. The big Wi-Fi box 2 will go inside the inside antenna, and I'll just run the cable here. Probably there's a spot that goes into my cab so I don't have to drill, or I can just run it through the rubber right up here and in. That'll be no biggie. All right, guys, I gotta get back to it. I did put my solar panel in today. My solar generator, the cube, extra battery, got it all hooked up. It is reading 13.6, totally full, even with just the one. But when I start turning everything on, it does like go, ooh. So I'll be excited to put that extra 2 waters on there, maybe even slap another battery in there. I'm not sure. All right, guys, gotta go. See ya. Peace out. After getting the truck worked on, I went over and volunteered a little bit of my time, painted the friends together, billboard sign for them. Well, hello everybody, and good morning. And it is, what is today, Monday the 6th? Yeah, Monday the 6th, April. Oh, gorgeous. It's about a little 40, 50. Picked up some sand today for the back of my house, going all the way around. Some really nice packing sand. So I'm excited. Got to shovel it by hand, but I figure I'm going to get about 4 of those or 3 of those, and then like 1 rock, maybe 2 rock. I'm not sure. Going to utilize that for going, like I said, all the way around the back of the house this time. And I did video earlier the other day of working it. And then I'll pick up a couple loads for behind the house here, kind of fill in a hole, fill in the bottom of that fence, fill in the bottom of that fence, and yeah, do some projects around the house while we're in quarantine scenario. But yeah, I'll be filling in this whole area a little bit better and get her all where it's level from the back all the way up to that fence and fill it in a little bit. I know my neighbor in the back, she's going to take down her old fence and butt right up to mine, which is absolutely fine, but I don't want their little doggy to get out and underneath. I guess he's a digger. She's a digger. And so I'm going to be able to get that all knocked out. I'm also going to be putting, after I get that sand in there, I'll put a French drain system in it, but when they lift all this band and stuff, then we're going to be starting to excavate that whole area there, get that topsoil up, put the a thicker rock in the bottom of it, not thicker, sand rock, get that in the bottom of it and get that all prepped, so then I can at least put the French drain system all along that back of the house, so we're not flooding out anybody on the sides and everything. So yeah, so that's the projects that I'm doing at home. Also knocked out some gutters on the house and the workshop. Came up with a couple really good recipes also. Quiche, ham, potato, good. Another recipe was my lasagna. That was really good. So tonight I am enjoying a little bit of cabin fever, I think it's called, from Thunder Bay Winery, sitting by the fire pit. And I like it. Smokeless. Well, a little bit of smoke. Not bad. The heat's going pretty good straight up. And yeah, nice. Cabin fever. Thunder Bay Winery. Enjoying this night. Did a lot of work today and pretty proud of how things are turning out. Got the truck right there. I'm about ready to go camping. Actually, I'm about ready to break out the tent in my backyard, to be honest with you, you know. But yeah. All right, guys. Enjoy the night. It's Wednesday. And I'm going to have some fun. See ya. Okay, guys, you know what to do. Touch the bell, subscribe, give me thumbs up.